Hi guys, in this video we will talk about earning after login to earning. Then you will find on left hand side you will click on the earning tab. On the right hand side we will see the earning disman, the amount of money available this month, and how many orders will you sell this month. Ability to withdraw at this time, and our minimum withdrawal amount is $50. And we'll have two forms of withdrawal. Payout is called PayPal and bank transfer. Bank transfer. Currently, it only supports the US market. And when you have earning, then you'll pull down to earning. Over grill, you can call it. Slide according to our calendar. Let's look at earning by month or year. Then pull down. We'll see a section called Do the Rest. Earning is called the money you earn by you. If you have a team, if you have an agent, you get 5% per sub-agent's successful sale order. The earnings section will appear in the table. You will also be added to the bank available. Now we're going to scroll down to the payout section. Our payout session will support so-called withdrawals. This is our payout part. The minimum amount to be withdrawn is $50. After $50, you'll have a button called Click Payout to withdraw to your bank. It is now our payroll. There are two types of bank transfers called PayPal and bank transfer. For example, PayPal, you enter the PayPal email here. As for the transfer board, currently, we only support the US market and American citizens only. So if the global citizen, then you will choose to pay by PayPal. Then after you fill in the email, you will sell. This information will be saved for the next time. And now we're pulling down. We will see recent bear out. It's a table. The list of your bear out history is here.